Okay guys, this is Robert, and Robert, what do we got here, Robert?
This is a flat of seeds that we judge the quality of, and we judge it using this computer system. So our customers would like everything exactly the same size and shape, and we use this computer system and the lasers and the cameras in it to tell our two main defects when something's growing. This would be an example of, it's probably a big enough leaf, but it's too short. And this would be an example of where there's some growing, but the leaves just are not big enough at all. So rather than us trying to judge what's a good quality, we can run it through this computer, and it tells us the quality of the lot of seed that we have.
So this is something that you used to have to do by hand and maybe take, what? How long would that take to count?
It wasn't that it was so long, as that when you get multiple people doing it, everybody, it's hard to agree, is that big enough, or is that big enough, or is that big enough?
Everybody's got a different standard of what they think is
it
acceptable
takes
or
out
not.
the judgment.
And how long does this thing take approximately to make its analysis?
About 30-35 seconds. There's actually 3 lots on here, so to tell the quality of 3 lots.
Okay. Well, do you have a name for this system, or is
This
this
is
just
called Seed View Inspection System. We refer to it SVIS.
Okay.
And the reading we get from this is called the Ball Vigor Index.
Okay.
And that's the uniformity rating that the computer is determining.
So it's not all just about germination. Germination
Right.
is one thing, but
Yeah.
if you get a tiny little plant or something that's way too big, you might as well have no plant at all.
Right.
So-
These are the easy ones. When there's nothing growing, that's easy. Everybody agrees that's dead.
Yeah.
But it's these ones that aren't quite enough quality. They don't have enough seedling vigor.
And we're just trying to get everything down to as uniform as possible.
A
And this is
perfect
great
lot
way
is
of measuring
everything's
that.
the exact same size.